Liberica News. Good day, Pato Fernando. Mabuhay. Student leaders. Two words that might seem simple, but is both hard and exhausting. We are here today at Fernando Urbase Integrated National High School, ready to listen on stories that will surely get your emotions out.
Sa BKD, every Friday, nakakapag-garden po kami. Then, daily check ng bawat CR if merong nagawa ng hindi dapat dito sa school, lalo na yung smoking, tapos yung mga pagbe-vape. At kasama ko nun si James Mojares, ang president po namin. Then, si James Dan Fonchica. Tapos, sa representative naman na kasama ko is si Aina Llanes, na ngayong SSLG.
School organizations are seen fulfilling their duties and responsibilities. They wore custom-made polo shirt uniforms to help Batang Fernandos in identifying and recognizing them. Liberica News. Fernando Urbase Integrated National High School have three major organizations: the SSLG or Supreme Secondary Learners Government, PKD or the Barkada Contra Droga, and the YESO or Youth for Environment in Schools. These organizations are responsible for the development and improvement of their own school.
Yung advisor ko po ng grade 8 na si Ma'am Nova Villapando. Siya po yung nagsabi sa akin na kaya kong mag-lead kasi magaling po akong mag-lead sa mga classrooms, ganun. Nagkaroon po ako ng mga problems just like yung sa pagta-time management ko. Nahirapan po akong i-balance yung academics saka yung leadership goals ko po.
Despite the many issues or hardships, some students still chose to join an organization and become a student leader.
Siguro time management lang talaga kasi dapat matutunan mo talaga paano i-balance yung leadership, yung mismong goal mo as a student na makapasa or maka-step up, maging better version ng sarili mo.
As Miss Allery said, proper time management is needed to be able to handle being a student and a leader at the same time. Liberica News.